There are hardly any more versatile vegetables than beets. They have these wonderful greens that are full of folate, and the roots that are full of color. They have potassium, iron, vitamin B9, and some really great vitamin C, as well as the color in them, the flavonoids, is such a wonderful benefit for our immune boosting antioxidants. So there's several ways you can cook beets. One, you can peel them and slice them and eat them, or you can cook them like a little fried potato, or you can cut the tops, not quite off, but about to here, and you don't want to cut too much into the bottom, and boil them or scrub them up and bake them. I really like them baked, and then for about 40 minutes, just like a potato. Then you can take them out and use a paper towel to get the skin off so that they don't get your fingers too hot or too pink, and then cut those up, and you'll be surprised how wonderful and juicy they are. I know there's a lot of people that say they don't like beets, and it's probably because they haven't tried them cooked like that. So I hope you try them any way you get them. So here's another great snack for you. Take a regular red beet and peel it, cut it in half, and then slice it as thin as you can. Some lime and Tajin over them, and eat them with a Granny Smith apple. Yum. So here are some red beets, just peeled and diced. I steam those with a little olive oil and throw in about 3 tablespoons of water, and just keep the lid on them and let them sit and simmer. And when you get ready to serve them, all I do is put a little bit of olive oil over them and drizzle it with a little bit of basil oil and salt. So what do you notice about these wonderful sliced beets? It's their color, their beautiful red color. So great flavonoids in them.